Hello guys! I can smell Christmas spirit in the air. I want to create some elf makeup, but I can decide which one to do, the bad one or the good one. Let's start. For the base, I will use Krillin Event Foundation Pearl. And now I will add foundation. Set. For the eyes, I will use first this eyeshadow for the base. I'm going with green tones because I will apply later green lenses. I will do exactly the same here. I really rare do this makeup, I mean beauty makeup, but I am enjoying. Now I will go with the darker green. Blend everything together. And the darkest tone of green in the corner of my eye. Shadow here and here. I will now do my eyebrows, and after that I will go back to do the shape of the eye because it's easier for me to do first eyebrows and then the shape of eyeshadow. The shape of eye. For the eyebrows, I need to be 100% concentrate to this because it's gonna be red and white lines. I'm using very tiny brush for the shape of my eyebrows, and I will do that with a white body paint. Now I will add red lines with body paint. Was not easy at all. Now I will use white super paint to fill this. Sorry guys, I need to take my mirror close. This is the shape of my eyebrows, and I will pull up my eyeshadow upper here. Blend it with yellow eyeshadow. Definitely need to add some black eyeshadow here. I will put a little bit of metallic eyeshadow in the middle of my eye. It's time for eyelashes and eyelashes. Here I am. Now I will add some blush, and on my nose too. My lips will be in red. I like it. I got these elf ears from Krillin, and I can't wait to apply them. They look so sweet. Red body paint, and this part will be totally in red and this one in white. I will make some shades on red body paint with black eyeshadow. Let's do some details. I'm using brush with black eyeshadow, and I will do exactly the same up. I will go more dark. And here I am, like a real good beauty elf. We will see how it's gonna look like evil elf. I would change my makeup in a darker style, my eyelashes and color of my clothes. Let's start first with this part and I will paint it totally in green. I will do exactly the same with my eyebrows and I will make my eyebrows more hairy. I like this one more. Before I do my makeup, I will put my other eyelashes. Let's do the eyes. I will not change too much. I will add more of green here and black too. I will change a nose a little. Apply a little bit of green eyeshadow here and here. And green lipstick. I will kill these shiny parts with green eyeshadow. Adding some black here. And surprise, surprise, I have special feet. What do you think? Oh, they are green. And the wig. If you like my video, please subscribe, leave a comment, share, or my teeth go out. I look like a monster. Who is better elf? Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share, or my teeth will go out. I'm evil elf.